Jeff from Two Hacks Garage. Well, what you just saw in that video, guys, was us straightening the steering link on that and also the front axle. We did that at Chubby Chassis, owned by Howard K. He's a really awesome guy. He's got an awesome story from when he was a little kid till now. And at some point, I'm going to do an interview with him. And it's going to be really cool because I got to hear some of it and it was awesome. Anyway, so what we did is we ended up straightening that axle out, got all that taken care of. We didn't realize it was bent until last night when we put a straight edge on it and noticed it was way out of whack. So that's where we're at now. We're going to start putting the front end back together on the car, do a whole bunch of more work on this and see what we can get done on day 2. We still have to get a hold of Bruno to source some parts for that. We got some major issues going on with that. But for now, we're going to set that aside. And we're going to tackle on getting the front end back together on this car. And we dropped the front glass off, a template for that, because Brian had another one, so we can get that one remade. So hopefully we can get that taken care of too. The new window is done for the other side. It's just a lot of those little things, if you want to call it miscellaneous, to get this car back together. So yeah, our goal now is to get the front end, axle, everything buttoned back up. So we were talking about further inspection with the Bruno. When we got everything tore apart, got the hub out, and you saw the broken gears yesterday, the big problem, look right there. You see that big crack right there and right there. That's not good. And if you look here, it got all ate up. So that is not good. So we're probably going to be looking at having to replace the Bruno itself. Not 100% sure. Waiting to talk to the guys on that. But yeah, so that's a big one right there, guys. But you know what? We'll keep on going on. I also got to show you something else that we got to replace. So that's Brian's fire jacket. The sock did very well. The gloves did very well. They're sitting there. His helmet did really well. He just got a new one. If you see here, this jacket, it's toast. It's burned up pretty good. So made a phone call. He went ahead and got a new one of those, ordered up, one-piece fire suit. So at least that's checked off the box. We did locate a converter for this car, so that's checked off the box. It is what it is, guys, but we're gonna keep on trucking on, and we're gonna get this thing back on the track. All right, so as you saw, Jerry, the excellent fabricator, he went ahead and yesterday he got that frame rail straightened, and what he did was he made a new drag link bracket, which is right underneath there. And what we did was we kind of pre-hung everything, got everything centered, made sure it was straight, and now we've got stuff kind of bolted up in place. We know everything's straight, we know it's true. And here pretty quick, once we get back from lunch, we're gonna put the wheels and brakes and everything back on to make this thing a roller. Good news is the axle's straightened out too. Howard and Jerry did an excellent job on getting that done. So yeah, we are making progress, but you know what guys, it's time for lunch. But yeah, it looks a whole lot better than it did a couple days ago. We're making progress. Well, check that out. The front end is all back together. We got everything straightened out. Turned out pretty well. It was a lot of work to do, back and forth to Jerry and Howard's shop, but the front axle's been straightened, the drag link's been straightened, all the brackets reattached, the frame rail straightened. It's good to go. That's a huge win right there. Didn't have to replace any of those parts. Just a little bit of heat and a little bit of pressure. Brake lines are on, suspension is on. So that right there is done. There might need to be some fine tuning on the caster and all that, but as far as structurally sound, it is straight, it is ready to go, it's recentered. Jerry, he started working on the rear of this car, and if you notice here, that was all caved in. Well, it's starting to come back out, and the nice part about it is, if I can get this, the door actually closes correctly now. So the door that was really bad, it actually closes now, but he's gonna work on getting more of those dents out. Mind you guys, we are gonna leave this nice and crispy for the rest of the year. It's just a little bit too much paint and body work to do in a few weeks. So we're just gonna try to get it as straight as we can and make sure the doors close as they should. And yeah, big progress on the street fuel coupe. Feeling pretty good about this. With that, we're gonna get back to work. All right, so a little progress check. If you see, Jerry's doing a wonderful job. It might not look like it, but this is a lot of work. You saw how badly it was destroyed. And what he's doing a little bit at a time, he's getting that metal pushed back out this way to try to get some body form back in there. I was talking to him how he does it, and basically it's just a little at a time, so you don't want to fatigue the metal too much. But I'm going to show you how he does that. He's got Porter Power tools going on in here. And he's basically using hydraulic cylinders. Some of them are sitting in there, and they get wedged up in there off the beam, and it just keeps pushing back up in there. And it's working pretty well. After we get that kind of uncatty wampus over there, what we're going to do is we're going to address this side, because if you see here, it's buckled there, here, and in the back. So basically, the next step is, what happened is this body on the top shifted this way, and we've got it moved back just a little bit that way. That door is closing, but that one's not 100% there yet. So that's going to be the next step. There's our progress check. All right, so that's day 2 up here in Wisconsin, working on the street fuel coupe. Neat part about it is we did get the front end completely fixed. Like I said, it was back and forth to Howard and Jerry's shop, getting stuff straightened out, tweaked. And if you look, everything is put together in the front end, even the brake lines. Jerry's done a really good job on, you know, it might not look like it, but you know what? It's a lot better than what it was. This door is closing. We're going to work on getting that door closed. He's going to work on getting the rest of this pushed out to make it, you know, look a whole lot better. So that's where we're at. We did get the converter. Brian did order up a new fire suit. So right now it's kind of the Bruno drive with the transmission that we need to kind of sit down and source some parts for. So yeah, that's going to be day 2. Tomorrow we're going to do a whole lot more work, because the goal is to get this thing ready for the next race. And really, guys, we just crashed Saturday night, so it hasn't even been a week yet, like what, 5 days? And really, all the bad stuff on this is, well, it's pretty much fixed. So with that, we're going to see you tomorrow. Until then, stay tuned and stay cool.